All right, language explorers. So let's look at today's word of the day. So eternity, eternity, eternity. To last a long time, forever, forever. Or to exaggerate, exaggerate about a long period of time. Yeah, he can talk forever. He can talk for an eternity. She can, I don't know, listen to me for an eternity. I could talk with her for an eternity. It has been an eternity since I last saw her. They have not been here for an eternity. They have not been here for an eternity, a very, very long time. It will work for an eternity. This machine will keep working forever, for an eternity. Yeah. The clock will work for an eternity before it needs new batteries. Makes sense. We've been working there for an eternity. It feels like I have not been there for an eternity. It's been so long. It's been an eternity since I was last there. Yes. Over an eternity, the earth has changed. Yes. Well, when I come back here after an eternity, a really long time, I expect things to be clean. Clean. Yeah. Plants have been growing here for an eternity. Yeah, so the earth has changed and plants have been growing on this island, or this land for an eternity. So what feels like an eternity to us would be just a second to a plant. What feels like an eternity to us humans would be a second to a plant. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. We will look after it for an eternity. In a way, yeah. This is what I will be doing for the rest of eternity. Until the end of time. Forever. This. Teaching and building my own business and brand. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. Oh, let's change that. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? So, can you use eternity in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me by searching English with Adrian on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram, as well as searching Adrian Nanchev on Udemy. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.